Imagine having to choose between buying food and paying your utilities bill. "13% of households in Kingston, Frontenac, and Langston-Addington area live with food insecurity. This means that about 1 in 8 households in the KFL&A area do not know if there will be enough food next week or next month. Households on fixed or low incomes are often forced to use their food budget to pay for other expenses. What does it mean to live with food insecurity?
I'm not able to find food that fits with my cultural identity.
I cannot afford to buy healthy foods.
I have very little money left to buy food after paying the rent.
I skip meals so there is enough food for my children."
The cost to buy food for a family of 4 in the KFL&A area for a month is $955. What can you do? Learn more about the impact of food insecurity on health. Advocate for solutions that will ensure secure and healthy food for all. Share this information with your peers, colleagues, and partner agencies. For more information, contact KFL&A Public Health at 613-549-1232 or online at kflaph.ca.